I teach courses related to the entertainment industry and the music industry, and I've been teaching concert production since being here, and a course called New Media Literacy, which is about PR tactics for folks working in the sports, entertainment, and event management field. I think one of the most exciting types of assignments that we do in classes are those that are hands-on. So in concert production, for example, the students are charged with booking and producing an entire concert. And so this means that with very minimal budget and limited resources, they are asked to book several bands, find sponsors to work to partner with us for the event, find a beneficiary if they decide that they're going to give some of the money that we raise to charity, and set up the event space as well, including all of the backstage areas, feed everybody, secure the security, put together just basically everything you would need to put on the concert by themselves. And I let them go for the first several weeks of class and see what they come back with, and then around week 5 or 6 I say, okay, there might be some resources on campus that you need to still find, and I'll help them out. But then night of show, they're on their own. I go only to assess them, and they need to pull off the concert. Sometimes I throw them a few curveballs that evening, so I tell them to expect that. But it usually turns into a really rewarding experience for the students.